Good evening. WhatsApp has moved Delhi High Court against the guidelines that are issued by the central government. Kindly follow this particular news carefully, and once this is done completely, we'll have a detailed discussion on this. Apart from this, we'll be discussing about other international and national issues. Kindly stay tuned. I am opening the document. Look at this. The first one regarding China. China's Tianwen is a mission 2. So that's a mission of China, and this is aiming at Mars, Moon, Jupiter, or Venus. Kindly remember, this is option A, that is Mars. Right? So the answer is A. But what is this? Let's have a look at this. The Chinese mission to Mars, Tianwen 1, recently landed in the Utopia Planitia. What is this? I'll tell you now. So it has been landed here. It is the place where the Viking 2 lander touched down. Look at this. Utopia Planitia is an impact basin of Mars. Impact crater is a circular depression on the surface of the planets formed due to hypervelocity impact of smaller objects. It may be due to meteors. Kindly remember, so that is Utopia Planitia on the Mars. So that is because of the hypervelocity impact of the smaller bodies. So kindly remember, so the name of the mission and the country and the planets. All the three are important for the examination. Next, which of the following has launched Unnat Bharat Abhiyan program? Obviously, by looking at the name, one can say that is related to education. But the point is that which ministry or institution has started this? Ministry of Commerce and Industry? Obviously, no. Maybe Niti Aayog, or Ministry for Women and Child Development, or Ministry of Education. I told you already. Earlier, Ministry of Education was called Ministry of Human Resource Development. And now it has been renamed. Now it is called Ministry of Education. And please remember, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan program was launched by Ministry of Education. Kindly remember this. What is this program? Have a look at this. So this is a flagship program of Education Ministry. And what is the intention? Intention to enrich rural India. Kindly remember all the points. The knowledge base and resources of the premier institutions of the country are to be leveraged to bring in transformational change in the rural developmental process. Since our larger population is living in the rural area, that is also one area that requires the enrichment. It also aims to create a vibrant relationship between the society and higher education institutions. Otherwise, what happens? The one criticism with respect to higher education institutions is that is favoring only few, right? With the later providing the knowledge and technology support to improve the livelihoods in rural areas and to upgrade the capabilities of both public and private organizations in the society. And this is the important program, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, right? And this is the flagship program of Education Ministry. Next, we will be moving forward. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Headquarters of International Union for Conservation of Nature. Headquarters of International Union for Conservation of Nature is located in The Hague's Gland, Vienna or New York. The Hague is in Netherlands, Gland is in Switzerland, Vienna, Austria, New York, America. Right? Look at the question. And the correct answer is option B. Right? So that is it. That is in Switzerland, Gland. Right. So International Union for Conservation of Nature is an international organization working in the field of nature conservation and sustainable use of the natural resources. So that is the function of this IUCN, and it is located in Gland, that is in Switzerland. Fine. So that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.